Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today I'll be reviewing Darien Lake's 2018 Gerstlauer Eurofighter Tantrum. So before I hop into review, I had a couple things about the channel I wanted to talk about. I was originally planning to drop the Darien Lake history video today, but I decided to push that back to Monday, so look out for that. I have a bonus video tomorrow, so make sure to check back for that. Another thing I wanted to say is that there's a clone of this coaster called Iron Shark at Galveston Island near Houston. Also, this coaster gets its wheels changed all the time, so don't be surprised if this coaster feels and sounds different each month you go. Let's start out with the stats for this coaster. Tantrum is 98.4 feet tall, and reaches speeds of up to 52.8 miles per hour. Its drop is at an angle of 97 degrees. Now it says there are 3 inversions on this coaster, but that's a highly debated topic. I'll go with 3 inversions, but I understand if you disagree. Finally, it has a length of 1,246.7 feet and a duration of 1 minute. That's a really short duration, meaning that the ride is really short, which is the point that will be emphasized in this review. This coaster is located towards the front of the park and is fairly close to the entrance. I think they did a nice job cleaning up the area around it after they removed Thunder Rapids. There's actually a nice food stand outside the ride that is the same color scheme as Tantrum. You enter under a plain sign and walk through the queue house and the walkway that takes you to the station. There you will be assigned a row, but if you want a row in particular, they'll probably let you wait for it. This is the only coaster that runs 2 trains at Darien Lake, so it really ever has a wait. You'll board the train and buckle your seatbelt, and you'll pull down your lap bar. The ride-op will likely staple you because that seems to be the theme at this park. You'll ascend up a vertical lift hill and dive down the 97-degree drop. The drop is definitely the most forceful drop in the park. It pulls you down and gives you a great pop of ejector airtime. It then takes you into a double inversion, which I always seem to gray out on. Some people will never gray out on it, but I guess it just depends on the circumstances and who you are. It pulls some good force as you descend the inversion. Then the train speeds through a twist into an awesome cutback turn that provides some good forces. Then you an incline loop and a little ejector hop, and then you glide into the brake run. Here's my thoughts on this coaster. It's very forceful, fun, and smooth. My only complaint is that this ride is very short. Also, it can run slow depending on the day. My rating for this coaster is an 8 out of 10. Every element included on this coaster delivers. If it were a little bit longer, then I might be pushed to a 9. I'm not really quite sure what to do to make it better beyond that. Maybe make it a little bit taller so it could get more speed. The good news is that this coaster is a great fit for the park, and there's really nothing like it anywhere near. The closest coaster to it that is similar is probably Impulse at Knoebels, but that ride has a completely different vibe than this ride. Tantrum is easily the second best ride in the park behind Ride of Steel. I will note that this coaster usually doesn't get aligned and has the best operations in the park. That about wraps up my thoughts on Tantrum. What are your thoughts on this Gerstlauer Eurofighter? Do you enjoy it as much as I do? Leave all those thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content every single week.